Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to use a potentiometer within the falstad online simulator. First of all, you must know that what a potentiometer is and how it used to work. Potentiometer is just like a simple resistor, but it has a specific knob through which we can increase or decrease the resistance. There are three terminals of a potentiometer, two are the side terminals, and one is the wiper pin to which the wiper is attached. So how it used to work now, we will take one lamp and we will try to reduce or increase the glow of the lamp with the help of a potentiometer. So first go and take our ground for power supply. Okay, now this ground part is the power supply main part. Okay, so we also need to take one voltage source. So it is one terminal voltage source. So this is, and now we need to take our potentiometer. So this is our potentiometer. Okay, this is our potentiometer. After potentiometer, we need our lamp. So where is our lamp? We need to, okay, input and outputs and label. So we can take our lamp. So this is our lamp. Okay, one side of the lamp must be with the ground. So take the wire and connect it like that. Other end of the lamp must be with the potentiometer, and okay, now you know what will happen, that this wiper pin used to move on the resistive part of the potentiometer. So when it is close to the upper end, the resistance will be less, and when it is away from the upper end, the resistance will be high. Like our lamp used to operate on 120 volts, so we need to change them to 145. Okay, and we also need to change the resistance from 1k to 300 ohm. Okay, now what will happen, we can see that our lamp is getting a bit hot, like it is glowing as well now. Okay, now you can see that whenever we increase the resistance with the help of this light bar, our current used to decrease. Like our current is 744 milliampere, and you can see that it is decreasing with the passage of time. Why it is so? Because our lamp is getting hotter, and this increase in temperature will ultimately leads to the thermal movements of its atoms, the fuse wire atoms or filament atoms. So they used to increase the resistance, and thus our current will decrease. Like effect is opposing the cause. So now we are going to decrease the resistance. Now our bulb or lamp is very hot. Now it is white. Now we have increased a little bit. Now it turns to yellow, and now brighter yellow, and this thing. Now it turns to a bit orange. Okay, and after it it can be red. Okay, because our current is decreased to 546 milliampere. Now if we need to increase the resistance, okay, now you can see that yes, now our lamp is nearly off. Okay, it is in off state. So with the help of this potentiometer, we can increase or decrease the amount of current to the load or load element like this lamp. So hopefully you got the concept that how we can use the potentiometer within the falstad simulator. So don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for visiting our channel.